Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by moving immediately into actionable preparation. Equip high melee and explosives, then step through the entrance. Once inside, mark coordinates and light sources so you know where enemy spawns cluster. Make sure to position dinos or companions on passive near the entrance and stash a backup crate outside for respawns. You want redundancy. If you die, you reclaim progress quickly. As you proceed, watch for choke points you can hold and clear first to create a safe funnel for later meshing steps. Once done clearing outer areas, work inward methodically. Clear the outer chamber, then mid-tunnels, then central arena. As you move, place temporary markers at mesh origin points so you can replicate paths precisely. Consistency prevents gaps. Make sure to deploy collision proxies or nav meshes sequentially rather than scattering them, and after each placement test visibility, AI behavior, and physics by walking or riding through. If creatures or collisions behave oddly, backtrack one mesh and adjust placement or spacing before proceeding deeper. To finish, run a complete traversal and confirm AI navigation works end-to-end and that nothing clips or falls through. After validation, optimize by removing overlapping meshes and compressing vertices to reduce load. Smaller, cleaner meshes improve stability. If you encounter stuck AI, missing collisions, or visual holes, revert the last mesh change, rescan the affected area, and reapply with slightly altered spacing or orientation. A single adjusted placement often resolves issues. If not, repeat the isolate test adjust cycle until reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.